Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mickayla here, and I'm back again with another video. So this is basically a continuation to my last video that I did this sleek low ponytail. I'm in the drying process right now, so I'm just gonna show you guys in depth how I do my edges for my natural hair, because I have very thick curly type 4 hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my edges today. Okay guys, so the things that you need really are, you need a edge brush. This is my edge brush. I got this from a beauty supply store for $1, literally $1, and I've had it and it's worked great ever since. It's kind of dirty, so I can't show you guys up close, but this is it. It has a brush and a comb. I use both ends to do my edges. The next thing you need is your Eco Styler gel. Any Eco Styler gel can work, but this is the one I have on hand right now. And the last thing you need so your edges last all day is your got to be glued blasting free spray. I got this at the beauty supply store for $7.99, I think, if I remember correctly. In Jamaica, I think this retails for like $1,200 or so, if I'm not wrong. Please correct me in the comment section, but I got this at the beauty supply store for $7.99. So my hair is fully sleek now. I'm about to put on my scarf, but I have to do my edges first. So what I do is I take my Eco Styler gel and I smooth it around my edge area. So I already did one side of my edges, so I'm just going to show you guys how I do my edges on the next side. Okay guys, so these are my edges on this side. I'm just gonna show you how I do it on the next side. So what I do first is I take my brush and I comb down my baby hairs, and then I apply some of the gel, and I use my brush in a swooping motion. So I go like this into my ponytail. So I go like this and I hold down on my hair and smooth it out while I'm swooping into my ponytail. So just watch my motion and you'll get it. Then I'm going to use the next end of my brush and define the swoop a lot more, continuing to smooth down my baby hairs with my, my middle finger. I'm just gonna move on to the next swoop. Using this end of the brush, guys, really gets your edges to swoop to your liking. It really helps me a lot to get my swoops defined and popping, sis. I don't know if you can see that, but a bitch is popping, okay? I'm just gonna swoop in this part using the comb, because I don't really have baby hairs right here. on this side of my head like I do over here, but it's whatever. Then I suit my sideburns. Suit my sideburns like that. And then, yeah guys. So what I do now to make them last all day is I get my blast spray and I spray it on my finger. And I smooth the blasting spray on top of each swoop. Even though the gel does a really good job of holding my edges, I am extra, so I have to do this part so my edges last all day, like they don't move from my forehead. And then I redefine my edges so that the gel, well not the gel, but the spray is like activated and it molds my edges a lot more. So I'm just re-swooping, guys. Okay guys, and now I'm going to take my silk scarf and I'm going to tie this around my head, and I'm gonna get back to you guys with the finished product.